May kasama pang banda. 3 points by Wilhelm. Okay, sige. Lugada, hoy! Pakinig ko yun. Pasok yan kay Lugada. 14A. Ang lakas talaga ng World Remit sa Division 3. Wala. Rebound by Espiritu. Pass to Makasait. Wala pa din. Berhel. Pass to Lugada. Tumatakbo na naman. Pass break. Wala ka dyan. Matibay yan. 2 points by Lugada. Score 14-10 in favor of Laser Band. Palangio. Bench. Pass to Makasait for 3. Wala. Rebound by. Lakas nun. Hugot. Bench. Lugada again. Ganda naman nun. Mr. MVP yan ng Division 2 noong panahong 1990. Score 16-12. Bench for 3. Pasok yan. Shooter din pala to si Bench. 7-point lead. Hindi, nakalaban. Akala ko meron na. Ay, pati doon sa kapila, si Jack din. Kaya nga eh. Mga bata. Ay, hindi dumating eh. Si Jack dumating second quarter eh. Pasok yan! Tambak. Benji. Pasok yan kay Benji. Pasok ulit. Pasok yan. Mr. Brian Magbanua. Makasait. Grabe ah. Wala pa sablay. Antibay. Congratulations, Anil. Mr. Anil, congratulations. Berhel for 3. Wala. Rebound by. Hop, may nakita. Post na, pushing. Jasper! Wala. Makasait. Matibay talaga to. Mr. June, relax ka lang, sabi. Sabi ni June. Reyes, sumatake. Hop! Same ball tayo, same ball. Berhel. Abdul for 2. Wala, rebound. Ganda naman. Rep, pakitingnan sa ilalim. Nagkakagit-gitan. Rep, pakitingnan nyo sa ilalim, ha? Referee natin. Check nyo sa ilalim yung mga pwestuhan. Who's para rep? 45. Okay, score 27-18 in favor of Laser Band. Okay, back to the ball game na tayo. Back to the ball game. Black ball tayo, black ball. Black ball tayo, black ball. Mr. Mike Pogi. Parang Mike, nagbabayad si Sing. Hinahanap ka. Ito ang mga player. Ito player natin. Ito ang gustong-gusto ko. Number 1 ka sa listahan. Next comp. Berhel, wala. Si Sing, pre. Hoy. Pass to Benji. 4-3. Wala. Rebound by Utol. Benji again. Pass to Lou. Lou for pull up. Wala. Rebound by Brian. Up. May foul na. Foul. Benz. 89. Foul. Nice. First team foul. White ball tayo. White ball. Nice assist. Ay, mataas. Medyo mataas lang. Paulo. Boss, pa-picture. Best player. June. Paganda ng pasa naman kay Benz. Malakas lang. Oy. Nakapanggulang yun ah. Sino yun? Jasper ba yun? Berhel, umatake, lumapit. Malakas lang, rebound by Lugada. Ang lakas niyan. 2 points by Lugada. Oh. Ben, pasok yan. Who's foul? Double foul. Relax lang, player. Relax lang tayo. Counted muna bago mag-foul. Number 6 and number 15. Foul. Double foul tayo. Double foul. Parehas double foul. Si Abdul pala. Si Abdul lang isa. Hindi si Brian. Tama. Abdul, third personal foul. Third. Lugada. May foul na. 89. Benz. Ilan na si Benz? Second personal foul, Benz. Traveling violation. Ready for substitution, ref. Makasait po, pull-up jumper. Wala, lumakas lang. Rebound by Brian, pass to Berhel. Tumatakbo si Berhel, pull-up jumper. Favorite shot, wala. Brian, malakas. Sayang. Hindi mga. Jasper. Pass to Benji for 2. Yes, mala. Makasait, rebound. Lakas nito. Mr. June. Pass to Brian Brian, atake. Same ball daw, same ball. Substitution rep, Jasper, out. Si Lou out. Sing. My foul, Jasper. Foul, Jasper. First foul. 2 shots daw, 2 shots. Wala. Oo. Tama. Mag-utol. Ito. Yan, at saka, mag-utol yung malakatan. Kuya niya ito isa. 33-21. Jasper, pass to Makasait. Pull up. Wala. Rebound by Benji. Umata kay Benji, pull up. Wala. Rebound by Brian. Nasundot. Huli. Ganda naman. Wala din. Makasait. Wala. Ganda ng depensa. Maganda ang depensa. May foul tayo sa ilalim. Who's foul rep? Double foul. Same ball daw, Number 4, parehas naghahawakan kasi kayo, Same ball tayo, same ball. Nag-penalty siya, nag-foul parehas. Penalty ng isa. Penalty na. Wala. Double foul lang double foul. Walang penalty yung double foul. Isa lang penalty. Ang lakas ni Brian Magbanwa. Tibay. Ready for substitution, rep. Relax lang tayo sa ilalim, mga kasama. Laro lang tayo. Ganda ng pasa. Nice one. Wala. June. Wala. Yeah, white ball tayo, white ball. Substitution, Espirito out, in pala. Benz out. Berhel, ay, sayang. Natapon. Benz, pass to Makasait. Ang lakas. 2 shots tayo, 2 shots. Pasok. Pasok ulit. 14-point lead, 37-23 in favor of Laser Band. Ang lakas mo, Mr. June! Foul, may foul, may foul. May foul na, may foul na. Number 6, Espiritu. 2 shots tayo by Bagbanwa. Second personal foul. Penalty na tayo. Brian, pasok. Wala. Rebound by Espiritu. Pass to Jasper. Jasper. Benji Poultry. Short. Rebound by Magbano ay na top last touch. Same ball tayo, same ball. Ang ganda naman nun. May foul na. Foul, Jasper. Penalty tayo. 2 shots. Penalty tayo. Penalty. Wala. Last draw tayo. Reyes. Pasok na, pasok yan. 39-25, back to 14-point lead. Espiritu. Pass to Sing. Sing, umatake. Sing pa, ganda naman. Ay, sayang. Jasper. Yan ang matibay. Baba daw, baba. Malakas ang kalaban. Ganda ng depensa. Black ball tayo. Last touch. (16-point lead). Tama. 16-point lead. Lakas din itong laser band na to Espiritu, pass to Sing. Sing. Wala pa. Rebound by Brian. Reyes sa atake. Ay, huli. Matibay yan. Up! End of second quarter. Score 41-25 in favor of Laser Band. Leading scorer natin, no other than Mr. Jun Makasait with 20 points already. Almost half of the score. For Kois Lichon, who's the leading scorer, Mr. Erwin Lugada with 10 points. Okay, back to the ball game. Third quarter. Score 41-25. White ball. Relax lang mga guys sa ilalim. Iwas ng konti sa pisikalan. Laro lang tayo mga kasama. Lugada Portray, wala. Rebound by same, Lugada. Nice, Arvin. Brian, lakas naman. 2 points by Brian. Benz, pull-up jumper, wala. Rebound by Reyes. Nagbababa ng bola. Pass to Berhel, wala. Lugada, umatake. Ganda naman. Nice steal by Makasait. Atake. Oy, may foul na. Reyes, 2 shots tayo, 2 shots. First personal foul. Mas marami pa sa'yo pare, Jasper. Two shots by Makasait. Pasok. Wala. Rebound ulit. Pasok. Lakas talaga. Mr. Jun Makasait. Arvin, titira ba? Pass to Lugada. Wala. Labas daw. Berhel. Nice one, Berhel. 2 points by Berhel. Lugada. Lugada, atake. Lumabas ulit. Pass to Reyes. Berhel for 3. Lista mo na yan. Shooter yan. Back to 12-point lead na tayo. Back to 12-point lead. June for 3 bumawi. Wala. Rebound by Reyes. Tumatakbo. Reyes. Reyes pass to Berhel for. Wala pala. Wala, nakatayo lang. Wala. Napilit. Berhel. Bola for 3. Short ball yan. Wala. Sayang. Berhel, atake ulit. Ano, Jasper? Hindi. Wala. Pag nakashoot daw, timeout. Foul. Timeout! Black Laser Band. Score 4-4. 32. 12-point lead by Laser Band. This game is brought to you by Laser Band and Kois Lechon. Thank you to all our sponsors. Okay, back to the ball game. 2 shots tayo, 2 shots. Last throw tayo, last throw. Wala pa din. Berhel for 3. Wala pa din. Short. Sayang. Jasper, pass to Singh. Ganda naman. Boarding. That's short ball for Singh. Berhel. Huli. Black ball tayo, black ball. Alin? Really? Hindi ko na. Patuloy. 3-point shot out? Galing naman. Court later. Sige, gawa tayo. Pagka may break. Pero dapat i-announce natin para clear sa lahat. Sir. Hands po. Transition, pinigil na. Okay. Transition, pinigil. That's hands po. Makasait. Wala yun, hindi yan. 2 shots lang, then ball position. Transition. Okay na, sige, 2 shots tayo, 2 shots. Pasok, one more. Pasok. Okay, 46-34. White ball tayo, white ball. Advantage foul daw yon. Berhel for 3! Ay, sayang. Uy, hindi nakatingin. Substitution, ref. Substitution. Low. In. Sing. Out. Dadalabas ako. Benz, nagbababa ng bola. Pass to Utol. Makasait for 2. Short. Rebound by Berhel. Berhel, tumatakbo si Berhel. Up. Same ball tayo. White ball. 20 second shot clock. Substitution, rep. Substitution. Abdul in. Abdul. Arvin out. Arvin. Reyes. Berhel. Pass to Reyes. Reyes umatake. Ganda naman ng lusot. Pasok yan. Back to 10-point lead. 46-36. Still. Benji for 3. Wala. Rebound by Makasait. Huli. Pass to Ewin. Short ball yan. Back to 8-point lead na tayo. Single digit na lang. 8-point lead. Five seconds. Violation. White ball tayo. Ganda ng depensa. Maganda ang depensa. Reyes, umatake. Pass to Abdul, nawala ang bola. Oh, may foul na. Foul na. Abdul, fourth personal foul, Abdul. Brian, rebound. Pass to Lugada. Ay, sayang, nabubo. Makasait. Ganda ng pasa. Foul na. May tawag na. Two shots. May tawag na, mga kasama. Ready for substitution, rep. Ready. Pag sumiyot, substitute. Substitution, rep. Pasok. Jasper out. Sing in. Back to 10-point lead. Mahaba pa oras. 1 minute, 30 seconds. And 1 minute and 13 seconds. Ganda naman! Counted! Who's for rep? Number 5. Mr. Singh. Two shots by Brian. Bonus free throw. Pasok. Okay, score. 48. 4 up. Same ball. Warning for delaying the game. Balik. Warning for delaying the game. Yellow. Black. White pala. So, warning for delaying the game yung tawag kanina. 13 seconds. 10. 8. Wala. Pasok yan. Okay, 3 seconds. 2. 1. Wala na tayo. Score 54-1. Okay, back to the ball game. Start of fourth quarter. 54-1 in favor of Laser Bond. Last quarter na tayo. Black ball tayo. Black ball. Yellow, white kanina. Makasait Putso! Ganda naman! Gabe. Shooter talaga to sa idol. Babaw na bitaw eh. Brian! Foul na, foul na, may foul na, may foul na. May foul na, may foul na. Jump ball ba? Anong tawag? Anong tawag, ref? Jump ball. White ball tayo, white ball, white ball. Wala. Ang lakas, sayang, sayang daw. Huli. Reyes. Traveling violation. Traveling. Sayang na huli. Jasper, malakas. Rebound by Sing. Wala. Lugada, nagbababa ng bola. Lugada, pass to Brian. Berhel, atake, Berhel, Porto. Wala, malakas. Rebound by Ben. Parang ninja si Ben, Atake, Ben, pass to Utol. Benz, wala, kulang. Sayang. May foul na tinawag. Who's foul rep? Benji, number 4. First team foul. Reyes, sumatay, pass to Lugada. Anong tawag, rep? Foul, Jun, nakasait. Foul. Si Jun lang. Second pa lang. Second personal foul, Jun. Berhel, short. Rebound by Benz. Umatake. Pass to Utol, medyo late. Huli. Stepping on the line. Stepping on the line. Black ball. Black ball tayo daw. Black ball. Oo. Wala. 2 shots tayo. Foul, Arvin. Pasok yan. Last throw. Pasok ulit. 54-41. Di makalapit? Ha? Hindi. Andun? Oo. Si Henry Dante? Oo. Talaga? Baka sa plus 4 pa tayo. Andun? Jasper, third personal foul, third team foul. 2 shots by Brian. Pasok yan, pasok. Relax lang sa ilalim mga kasama. Relax lang. Relax lang. Basta okay lang ang physical. Wala lang tayong sakitan mga kasama. Sing! May foul. Foul. Reyes. Ilan na si Reyes? Third personal foul. Top free throw tayo. Sing. Last throw, last throw. Wala! Rebound by! Lakas naman! Sayang, nawala, wala. June, pass to Brian. Brian, aatake si Brian. Malakas! Lugada! Three seconds na habol, ang layo. Medyo nagtagal. Timeout! Black, wala na kayong timeout. Meron pa kayong dalawang timeout. Score 54-43. Still favor of Laser Band. Time left 5:45 in the fourth quarter.
Thank you, Laser Band and Kuis Lechon. And happy birthday, Sir Dennis Ingo! Yay! Happy birthday!
Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Back to the ball game. 54-43. Hala, kompleto sila. Kompleto. June, pass to Sing. Sing, atake. Ganda, malakas lang. Sing again. Follow up. Nice Sing. Nice one. Lakas nito. Lakas nitong Laser Band. Two points by Mr. Ben Lugada. Nakanakaw. Hindi mo kaya yan. Matibay yan. Two shots. Foul! Who's foul, rep? Who's foul? Who's foul? Who's foul? 3. Foul, Alvin. Si Alvin pala. Nagulangan ka ni Jasper. Pre, nagulangan ka ni Jasper. Wala. Best. Lawrence. 3 points short. Rebound by Lugada. Lugada atake. Atake si Lugada. Lugada, ganda ng pasa. Counted. May bonus free throw tayo. Lakas. Okay, bonus free throw. June, third personal foul. Pasok. 10-point lead na lang ulit. Ben. Pass to Lu. June. Last 2 minutes. Ben. 8 seconds. Pull up jumper, wala. Zero. Violation tayo. 24 seconds violation. 1 minute and 42 seconds. Arvin. Pass to Berhel. Berhel, atake. Atake si Berhel. Berhel, may foul. 2 shots tayo. Foul, Benji. Number 4. Bola. Second personal foul. Penalty na tayo. Benji, third personal foul. Number. May foul na. Warning for penalty. Warning, fourth team foul. Pakilagay ang foul. Foul. 41. Pakilagay ang foul. Number 12 na. Nice one. Up! Number 15. Foul lang. Anong tawag, Rep? Anong tawag? Duty foul lang. Duty foul. Penalty tayo. 2 shots tayo. 2 shots. Penalty. Pasok yan. Timeout! White score 60-48 in favor of Laser Band. Okay, thank you to our sponsor, Flor Deluxe, Masagana, Bida Parfum, Kois Lichon, Laser Band, Ted Fencing, Casa Pilipina, World Limit. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Both team are penalty. Berhel, wala. Rebound by Jun. Lakas talaga ni Jun. Jasper, ubos oras, 15 seconds. Loyo. White ball. Brian, atake Brian. Both team in the penalty, ha? Pasok yan kay Brian. Foul. 2 free throw tayo, penalty. Foul, Lugada. Ayan, Lugada, number 41. Substitution tayo, Rep. Substitution. Okay. Wala. Timeout! Why? 56 seconds into the fourth quarter. Score 61-50 in favor of Laser Band. Thank you to our sponsors, Flor Deluxe, Elegance Eyewear, ONL, L Renovation, 218 Prestige, Simply Benuis, and Brown Beat Band. Back to the ball game, 56 seconds. Brian, wala, malakas, sayang. Foul. 2 shots. Abdul, 5 personal foul. Abdul, 2 shots tayo. Pasok yan, pasok. nalagay na eh. Ayan o, 63 ngayon. So, talaga. Reyes, ganda naman. Pasok yan. Quotient po tayo, quotient. Mahalagang score. Foul ulit. Lugada, 2 shots. Quotient tayo. Kaya na shooter ang pinapaul. Lugada! 5 personal foul. 5 na, 5. 5 na, 5. Nakatatlo sunod-sunod. Kondisyon na kondisyon, Mr. John. Kondisyon na kondisyon. At JR, picturean mo ng buo ang team. Picturean mo ng buo ang team. Yung team, picturean mo dyan, yung buo. Pasok ulit. 44 seconds. Reyes, sumatake. Pasok din yan. Mahalagang score. Singh. Foul. 2 shots by Mr. Singh. Si Cruz pala yung nakita ko. Wala nang foul. Ayan o. Scope mo na. Pasok. Back to 12-point lead. Oo, meron na. Berhel. Pass to Arvin. Arvin, short ball na yan. Ay, nasundot pa. Wala na daw, wala na. Wala na. Inubos ng oras. Low portrait. Short. June portrait. Pasok pa din. Grabe to sa Idol. Idol. Give me 5. Galing mo. Brian. Portrait. Babawi. Wala. Okay. Wala na. Sing. Portrait. Yes, sir. Thank you. Congrats. Congratulations. Laser One. Score 69-50.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congratulations.